from Tyrrell County Public Library. I'm so glad you took out our New Year's Eve Fun Family Package. I'm going to teach you how to make these fabulous poppers. Okay, so let's learn how to fold this origami popper. You're going to get a sheet of paper that's going to look like this. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to fold it in half like that. What you want to do is make a crease. So a long way. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half this way. Okay? Then what we are going to do is we're going to have the logo or the picture that we gave you on the bottom, and you're going to fold in these ends, and they're going to line up with that line that you just made. Okay? Let's fold this one in, and let's fold this one in. So it's going to look like that. Then what we're going to do is bring it over, okay? And we are going to fold it in half. So it is looking at you, here we go, like that. That better? Can you see it better now? Okay. So it's like this. So what we're going to do here is we are going to fold it in half. So it's looking like this now. And then we're going to take this top corner and we're going to fold it where it lines up along this line. Okay? And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to do the same exact thing. See, there's that flat part. And we are going to fold it over so it aligns along that line. So what you're going to have is something that looks like this. So when you throw it down, of course that didn't work. When you throw it down, it's going to pop out and make that noise. Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed this video. May 2021 hold all your wishes and dreams. Please like and subscribe to the Tyrrell County Public Library YouTube channel, and don't forget to like us on Facebook so you can see all the great programming we're trying to do for our community. Thank you and Happy New Year.